All I remember is seeing the emblem of the truck, and next thing you know, we're getting hit so hard. It's definitely life-changing, for sure. Not only mentally, but physically, even emotionally, it attacks all of that. You're looking at this like you're just blessed to be here.
This amount right here is the amount that's going in your pocket. So I do have to check for you. It's all yours. You can do what you want with it. I'm very happy for you, Amanda, that we got you a good result in this case.
I appreciate you guys so much. This means a lot. I was on my way to work. I had a coworker with me, and just a normal day, kind of ready for the day, and then we came to some traffic and we made a stop. I happened to look at my rear mirror and I saw a truck coming, and never heard any brakes, nothing. And we were on a 2-lane road, one going northbound and southbound, and there was nowhere to go. All I remember is seeing the emblem of the truck, and next thing you know, we're getting hit so hard. I thought I only hit the vehicle in front of me, but not only did I hit the car in front of me, it also threw me into the oncoming traffic, into the southbound lane, and I was hit by another vehicle. We spun a few times until we came to a stop. Everything was such a blur and dizzy. I had a hard time breathing. I look over to my passenger, and I thought my passenger was deceased because I had no reaction from her. I tried pulling on her. I can't tell you what it feels like to think that, you know, someone could have be dead in my car. I'm responsible for that person. The moment that someone's in your vehicle, not only are you, you know, it's yourself, but you have somebody with you. And that is the worst feeling in the world, is to think that you're in a car accident with the, you know, your passenger, and something major has happened to them. That's something that you don't just outlive. That's something that just stays, and it stays forever in your mind. I see it. For months, I could not sleep because that's all I dreamt of. My husband would tell me, calm down, because I would scream for her in the middle of the night. So it was very difficult. It's definitely life-changing, for sure. Not only mentally, but physically, even emotionally, it attacks all of that, and it's very impactful. My left ankle was shattered. My left leg was broken. My right elbow, and I had fractures in my back, and I had one of my discs pushed back in my neck. So my car that I had, that was another car accident, had OnStar. So I was grateful for that. It automatically sent out the alert and notified 911. I remember hearing them when they came out. They didn't think that we were alive, to be honest. We can hear them say they're alive, because they run. It's like, is there anybody okay? Are y'all okay? And I just remember saying, help me. The car, they couldn't get the door open, so we ended up having to be cut out of the vehicle. I'm a nurse by trade, but due to the injuries that I sustained, I'm no longer able to attend to my patients. I can't provide direct patient care anymore. So now I'm on the administrative end of things, which is very different, and to be honest, it's not what I am passionate about. So it has taken a lot from me in the sense that I lived bedside, tending to my patients. The recovery process was very difficult. I wasn't able to walk for a very long time. I was in the hospital for a really long time. I was wheelchair bound for several months. We had to modify our home to be able to allow me to maneuver through and about the home. I required constant assistance, even overnight, because I could not go from my bed to the bathroom to shower, so I required all of that. Due to my right elbow being broken, I'm right hand dominant, so I had to learn how to do things and right with my left. So it was a lot of therapy, a lot of adjustments that were very difficult for me. Probably about a year, just with all the rehab, and then I required additional surgeries for corrective, some things that didn't align well. Till this day, I'm still being treated, so it's still a work in progress. I think the last time I saw these pictures were when my family showed them to me when I was in the hospital. I was scared to look at them. I just didn't care to relive a lot of what happened. No. You're looking at this like you're just blessed to be here. It stirs up a lot of emotions just looking at it and thinking of what could have happened and putting not just myself in that position, but my family and other people that were involved as well. It took my entire family, my husband, my adult children, to help me. So again, it didn't just affect me, it affected my household. It affected everyone because, again, I required constant assistance, and it was a lot. Not being able to cook, I think for my family that was difficult, especially for my husband, just because he had to either order takeout or depend on someone else to cook, and it wasn't always something he wanted or liked. But I just can't believe that this is actually my car. Made me feel like this was my fault. I felt like they just weren't grasping the seriousness of the situation. They kind of downplayed everything, almost to the point where it just made me feel like I wasn't gonna be treated well. I questioned a lot of it. It caused a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression. I still have episodes, even when I am in the vehicle or I'm driving. It's a constant thing to where I look behind me and it sits there, and I'm like, just kind of like brace myself all the time. It's just a natural reaction that I have now for some reason, and I wish I didn't have it. I was rear-ended. I was at a stop. I'm the one that got hit. I didn't hit anyone. I didn't ask for any of this. Why would anyone want to intentionally do something like this? Especially knowing that it's gonna affect you for the rest of your life.
This amount right here is the amount that's going in your pocket. So I do have to check for you. It's all yours. You can do what you want with it. I'm very happy for you, Manby, that we got you a good result in this case.
I appreciate you guys so much. This means a lot. Wow, you guys are amazing. I don't even know how to really even express what you guys mean to me. It's been very personal. I mean, you have excellent customer service. The way you treat someone, it makes you feel like you're part of something bigger. And so I just want to thank you and everyone from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. No, not at all, to be honest. It's hard because to even put a price on what you go through. And you always hear these horror stories about, other insurance just not doing what's right. And so here I felt like my team really worked very hard and diligently to help me get the most out of what has happened. So I'm very happy. Honestly, set myself up to just be able to relax a little bit just with all the doctor's appointments and the changes in my work life has been very difficult. So I don't know, maybe pay off a lot of things and just kind of to where it would just set me up a little bit better. So if I needed to take time off, I could. Most definitely. Most definitely. My name is Lorianne, and if you're ever involved in a car accident, please do not call anyone other than J. Alexander. They are more than just a law firm. They will treat you like family, and they will take your concerns to heart and will fight for you with all that they possibly can. And I couldn't be more happy and more blessed to have had. I know that many people give, their testimony on things, but I, from the bottom of my heart, I'm blessed. Like, being a part of this team was amazing. I've heard stories, but for me, my attorney was very personable. She called me. I vented to her at times when I was having a mental breakdown. The whole entire team was great, and I couldn't have been more blessed to have a team that was so personable and treat you like family. Such an amazing team.